Yon world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, I want to go over how much YouTube paid me for 231,000 playbacks. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, I'm making this video because I was on Raise the Entrepreneur page. I just searched how much YouTube paid me, and he was one of the first videos that popped up, and I was watching this video on how much he got paid for a 1,000,000 view video. Now, if you watch it on his channel, this video he made it was organic, meaning that YouTube started recommending this video against other videos that was doing well. He got for 1.1 million views, he got $3,700, right? And I want to show y'all something on my analytics page on YouTube. For 231,000 monetized playbacks, I got $2,100. And I'm making this video to show y'all that there are different factors when it comes to ad revenue on YouTube channels. Different channels get paid more or less depending on what you talk about. This is an entrepreneurship channel. I'm pretty sure he has other videos with higher CPM, but the video he was referring to that got him that much was he was making how much he made off a vending machine business at the time. And he got 3,700 for 1,000,000 views. Now, the difference is I did about less than a quarter of that, right? Less than a quarter of that, and made $2,100. And this is the reason: the playback based CPM. Different channels have different CPMs, and my CPM is high. Like, that's a high CPM. $9.41 is high. Even if it averaged out to $8.24, that's a lot of money. Hold on, I don't know what it's doing. Even if it averaged out to $8.24, that's a lot of money. And the average CPM on YouTube is about $3 to $6. So you can see how my channel is above average. I can show you when YouTube started promoting me like crazy, right? Around 4/20, April 20th, is when I hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. After I hit 10,000 subscribers, YouTube started recommending old videos, like videos that I posted 2 years ago, next to videos that are trending right now. And you can see what I was making, like $15 on the 21st, $22 on the 22nd. The 23rd, it went to $108. 24th, $126. 25th, $131. 26th, I made $178. And it was just going up. $159 the next day, $122 the next day, $141. And once I saw what video was creating all of this money, which is attracting 100,000 watching this video using the law of attraction, I made another video, a more updated video. And what I did was, on the end screen, I recommended it. You know, you can go into your settings, and on the end screen, you can play certain videos that you want the viewer to watch. So I went and edited and placed this video, which also gave me some more money, because in this video, you know, Raise the Entrepreneur, it's a lot of good information in this video, but he tells you how YouTube started recommending other videos after the video that made 1,000,000, and it made other videos like $4,000. So what I did was I set it up early, because I got a feeling this video is about to go viral. It hasn't been a full month yet since it started going viral. It will be on May 20th. It will be a full month, because it just started doing this April 22nd, really, and going crazy. But I'm gonna do another video after I hit 1 million views on this. But I just wanted to show y'all what it paid me right now for 231,000 views. $2,100. That's a lot of money for that amount of work. You know, for that amount of view play. A lot of channels I saw, like a gaming channel, like 40 million views, only got $16,000. That's not enough. You know what I'm saying? For that amount of views. You know, if you do the math. So different videos, sorry about that, but different videos pay different amounts on YouTube. I'm making this video to show y'all that there are other factors, and I just want to show y'all the bottom of my analytics real quick. So y'all can pause the video and look at the videos I'm making and see the CPM rates. You know, these are high CPM rates right here. And all of those videos are about ClickBank, Max Bounty, how to make money. And I made a YouTube video about this. I'm gonna leave a link at the end of this video. But yeah, this is what YouTube paid me for 230,000 playbacks. Leave a like, comment, subscribe to your boy Yon World. Thank you for watching. Peace.